How to send PDF to email. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send PDF to email. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So sending PDF to email is really simple. First, let's open up our Gmail. So after you open up your Gmail, make sure you're logged in. Then we'll just compose an email. So press on the compose button on the top left. After you press on it, you'll see a small area where you can type in your messages. So I'll just type in the to, that is who I want to send this to, a subject. And after you're done with that, now on this area, what you can do, the first way of adding it is by bringing up your folder which has your PDF in. Then all you need to do, I'll just minimize this a bit. And all you need to do is locate your PDF, then select it and drag it and drop it to your email. So like that, you can drop your file there and it will just upload the PDF which you can send. The other option is by tapping on this insert file option. After you do that, you can now simply choose the PDF which you want to send and then tap on open, and that will attach it as well. And now you can tap on send to send the email, and it's that simple. And that is how you can send PDF to email. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.